OpenAI has launched its ChatGPT app for Android users globally, following a successful iOS rollout. This move signifies OpenAI's commitment to expanding its mobile footprint. According to a company's tweet, it's available first in the US, India, Bangladesh, Brazil, Argentina, Canada, France, Germany, Indonesia, Ireland, Japan, Mexico, Nigeria, Philippines, UK, and South Korea, with other countries set to follow later. OpenAI's GPT-4 model also powers a Bing AI chatbot, which has been available on Android for several months. Now everyone is awaiting Apple to come up with their own AI app, and then the AI war will heat up again. If you are in those countries and have already tried it out, then please share your experience in the comments. I'm in Australia, so I'm still awaiting for this application to become available, and I already have pre registered for it. Thanks for listening.